Up for sale today from Great Use Auto Sales, this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. Lower light, look at that. Beautiful condition, looks brand new. Upper light, amazing condition. Taking a look at the grille. Brand new. The other light on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Don't see any marks or anything on it to show. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. No marks, nothing to show there, very clean. Taking a look at the front door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Glass looks good, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, outstanding condition, clean throughout, beautiful shape. Take a look at those lights, also in beautiful condition. Passenger side light, also in beautiful condition. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Backup sensors, really nice feature there. Very nice. Take a look at the rear hatch. Hatch is in beautiful condition. Glass and everything, flawless condition. Nothing to show there. Taking a look at the backup camera. Very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Really in outstanding shape. Very clean. Rear door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very clean. Does have a small little tiny dent right there. Can't even see it, but it's there. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the glass. Also in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. No marks or anything to show there. Looks very clean. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield has no cracks or chips on it. Super clean. Looks brand new. Take a look up above here. Roof looks nice. Super clean throughout. No marks to show up there. Very clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Really, really nice. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around for this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. 21,000 miles. Beautiful condition inside and out. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls. Really in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the seat here. Driver side seat in the front. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks super clean. Really in outstanding condition. And this side here has power for the driver with lumbar. Look at that. That is so nice. Take a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Super, super clean. Taking a look at the passenger seat. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. It's a 2020 with only 21,000 miles. Amazing conditions. Full set of floor mats. The brand new dashboard. Everything looks amazing on this vehicle. Really outstanding condition. We're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel looks amazing. Really in outstanding condition. Take a look at that. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Full set of floor mats, and look at this large mat back here. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the Passenger side rear door panel's in outstanding condition, looks amazing, really in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Passenger side looks amazing, very nice condition, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Take a look in the center here. It's got a plug here, 2 USB plugs. It's got little AC vents there, very nice, beautiful condition. Hey, we're sitting inside this beautiful 2020 Chevy Equinox. Take a look at the key fob right there, very nice. This key fob is a smart key, so you just have to have it in your pocket, and that's it. So it has lock unlock, and of course it has panic. Very nice. So you just leave the key there in the cup holder, and then all you got to do is press the brake and press the button. Starts right up, perfect, very nice. Doesn't have any codes or anything. Okay, let's take a look. It has 21,930 miles. Very nice. All the gauges are fully functional. Very nice. Let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic window for the driver, automatic lights. It's got a collision assist here, so you can press this button here in the center, and then it lets you select the distance. So it helps you brake or whatever. If you're not paying attention, it'll stop the car for you. It'll brake for you. And then this is the lane assist that's down on the bottom there. When you press that button, it appears and disappears. That lets you know when somebody's in the lane next to you, which is a really nice feature. And then this is the information center. So you can scan through there. It tells you miles per hour. It tells you the timer, average speed, all that good stuff there. Very nice. Okay, control for the wipers, front and rear. For the lights, high and low. Take a look here. It's got a automatic transmission with manual shift modes here on top. There's the parking brake release. It's got a really nice, I think it's an 8-inch screen here. It's touch screen. So let's go back to home there. You can see there it's got audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So we're just going to go through the screens real quick. That's the information there for the Sirius XM radio. That's FM there. So we'll go back to home again. Your phone, you can pair it here. That way you can, I believe you can listen to music on it too. But regardless, we're looking at that there. That's for the Bluetooth for the phone calls. Click there, that's the Wi-Fi. You can set up the Wi-Fi there. Really nice. We're looking at the settings. That's where you can set the language. A couple other settings there. Very nice. Apple CarPlay. You can plug it in and then you get all the information off your phone. Android Auto. Takes everything off your phone also. Very nice. OnStar. Beautiful. So we'll leave it on that home page for now. Taking a look here, that's the air conditioning controls. Very nice. It's got the temp and the fan there. Beautiful. Down here below we got an auxiliary plug, USB, and I believe this is another type of charging plug for wire. You're looking at there the 12-volt power plug. Cup holders there, very nice. Really good size storage compartment here on the bottom. It does have the full set of books here, really nice. Little space there for keys or whatever you want to carry. Dashboard is brand new, looks really nice. Outstanding condition. Very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Up above here we have the OnStar button here. Controls for the lights. It's got a little sunglass holder there. Take a look at the roof. Beautiful condition. Liner looks brand new. Very nice condition. Visors with lights and mirror. Nice feature there. Really in outstanding condition. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Set to take it for a test drive. Already have it in gear here. Ready to go. Really nice. Feels super smooth. Material's nice and straight. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, we're coming up on a light here. Very nice. Brakes nice. Steering feels smooth. It's a nice extra this one has. I'm gonna show you the backup camera. Put it in reverse, automatically you get the backup camera. It's got these lines you can turn and you can see exactly where it's gonna roll. Very nice, look at that. Perfect, look at that. And then it has the sensors in the back that let you know when you're close to something. See that there? It's showing the center and the passenger side blinking. So that means we're getting close to something in that area. Then the closer you get to it, the more it beeps. Very nice. We're looking at the rear hatch here in the back, storage compartment. Clean throughout, beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Down below here, it's got a little storage area there. And beneath that, we should have the spare tire. Really nice, spare tire and all the tools down there. Beautiful condition. Now these controls here on the side, you can pull those there and those seats fold forward. Show you how that works here. There's one, there's the other. Really nice feature. We're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in brand new condition. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Really great condition. Let's take a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new, really outstanding condition. Michelin tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks very nice. Take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Look at the tire. Very nice shape. Michelin tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Really an outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's brand new. Look at that tire. Really an outstanding condition. Michelin tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really an outstanding shape. Front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Very nice condition. Michelin tires all the way around. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. That's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevy Equinox in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.